Hello students, today we'll be discussing worksheet number 6 of subject science class 10. The topic of discussion is atomic number, mass number and isotope. In the previous worksheet we have talked about electron, proton and neutron, and also we have seen how electron are put in different shells and what are the rules applied. Let us see what the atomic number is. Atomic number, the symbol by which we denote it is Z. Remember this. And the total number of proton which is present in the atom is termed as atomic number. Every atom has unique atomic number. Oxygen, for example, has atomic number 8. Carbon has atomic number 6. So they are different or unique. Atomic number is equal to number of proton in an atom, which is also equal to number of electron in an atom. Every atom has same number of electron and proton. As you can see, you'll see in the example, sodium atomic number is 11. So we can say number of proton is 11, number of electron is also 11. So if you learn the atomic number, you'll be able to know how many electron and proton are present in an atom. Magnesium atomic number is 12. It means 12 protons and 12 electrons. Chlorine atomic number 17, that means 17 protons, 17 electrons. Carbon atomic number 6, 6 proton, similarly 6 electrons. Okay, this is how based on atomic number you find out the number of electrons and protons present in any atom. Let us see mass number. Mass number is the first, see how it is represented, A. So do not get confused. A is not the atomic number, it is mass number. Okay, the sum of total number of proton and neutron. We all know proton and neutron are present in the nucleus. So likewise we can say all the mass of the atom is concentrated in the nucleus. Why? Because both proton and neutron lie inside the nucleus. So sum of total of proton and neutron is called as mass number, represented by A. So the formula will be mass number is equal to number of proton plus number of electrons. Now how you represent an atom? Okay, scientifically how are you going to represent an atom? For example, there is an atom X whose atomic number is Z and mass number is A. So how you represent it? What you do is, in the subscript you write down the atomic number, that is Z, and you write down the mass number as the superscript. So this becomes the representation of an atom. Let us see an example. You have sodium, right? Sodium has atomic number as 11 and mass number as 23. So the atomic number is written as subscript and mass number is written as superscript. So this becomes the representation of sodium. So this was mass number. Let us see the isotopes. What are isotopes? Isotopes are defined as the atom of same element. Elements are same, so they will have same atomic number, but their mass number will be different. So now, are you getting the point? Atomic number is same, that means number of protons will be same. Where will be the difference? The difference will be in the neutron number. Okay, so the definition again, isotopes are defined as atom of same element having same atomic number but different mass number. Let us see example. Hydrogen, it has 3 isotopes, protium, deuterium and tritium. Okay, so you can see in the subscript 1, 1 and 1. That means atomic number is same but mass number is different. For protium, mass number is 1. For deuterium, mass number is 2. For tritium, mass number is 3. Chlorine has 2 isotopes, chlorine 35 and chlorine 37. This is how we say it. Okay, so see, atomic number is same for both of them, but where is the difference? In the mass number. Carbon has 2 isotopes, carbon 12 and carbon 14. So atomic number is same, mass number is different. Okay, what are the uses of isotope? We have studied about isotopes. What are the uses? An isotope of uranium. Okay, uranium has an isotope. Okay, it is used as fuel in nuclear reactors. Fission and fusion reaction will be studying in higher classes. So isotopes are used there. Isotope of cobalt is used in the treatment of cancer. Isotope of iodine is used in the treatment of goiter. These are the few uses of isotopes. Okay, now based on our understanding, let us see the questions. The first question says dash is equal to the number of protons in an atom. So what is equal to the number of protons? Atomic number is equal to the number of proton or electron is equal to the number of proton in an atom. Dash is equal to the sum of number of proton and neutron. So the sum is called as mass number. Dash are the atoms of same element having same atomic number but different mass number. So the answer is isotopes. Hydrogen has 3 isotopes. Write it down. We have seen atomic number is same. This is protium, this is deuterium, and this is tritium. Atomic number is represented by symbol Z and mass number is represented by symbol A. Okay, last question. An atom has 11 protons and 12 neutrons. The mass number is, so you all know mass number, you have to add proton and neutron. So let us add them. Mass number A is equal to 11 plus 12. So when you add them, what you get is 23. So the mass number here becomes 23. So this was worksheet number 6. Thank you.